Exciting news is on the horizon as the Nothing Phone 3 is set to launch this July. Here's a sneak peek at what we can expect from this eagerly anticipated device. The latest renders from Carl Pei reveal a stunning new front design for the Nothing Phone 3. The phone boasts minimal side, top, and bottom bezels, providing an almost edge-to-edge display. A centered hole-punch selfie camera adds to its sleek appearance, ensuring a modern and clean look. One of the most intriguing updates is the addition of a fourth physical key. Speculation suggests this could be a customizable mute button or a feature similar to an action button, giving users more control over their device settings. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature the Qualcomm 8's Gen 3 processor. While not as powerful as the Gen 3, but this chip is still impressive. It's clocked at a lower speed but benefits from the 4nm manufacturing process, ensuring it's both power-efficient and capable enough for a budget flagship. This makes it a superior choice compared to the Exynos and Tensor chipsets. The Glyph interface is one of Nothing's standout features. It's back with some upgrades, promising to enhance the user experience even further. The design improvements are expected to be mind-blowing, living up to the hype around the Nothing OS. Nothing OS 3.2 introduces a redesigned control center, which looks fantastic. The layout includes 4 circular tiles for network and rotation settings and a 2x2 scrollable section displaying connected devices with their battery information and music controls. Quick settings for silent mode, vibration, and a thick brightness slider are also present. This panel can be scrolled and customized to fit your preferences, making it more user-friendly. While the overall direction is promising, there are still a few areas where improvements are needed. The current font, Nothing.metric, and the enforced black, white, and red color scheme could use more customization options. Additionally, the lock screen interface could benefit from a redesign to improve its visual appeal. That's all for now. So are you excited about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? What are your thoughts on these new features and designs? Drop your comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.